So I took one of these frozen lobster claws and boiled it in the microwave for 10 minutes. I understand the meat will be tough after this, but I need flavor, and it's gonna work with my ramen. It has what is called? It has some MSG. It will boost even more the flavor. Now I'm going to let it sit and cool on a kitchen counter. And I'm gonna put ramen in it to soak. Okay. And I put the bucket as well. Alright. Now I'm going to add some raw shrimps. I'm gonna add shrimps after the ramens are soaked and ready, because I will stick them into microwave again just to bring the shrimp to the poached consistency, not shrunk, but actually nice big, just poached condition. Okay. I'll be back in 15 minutes when the noodles will expand and absorb more water, and the shrimp will be thawed, and it will go to microwave for a few minutes. Let me add more water, because the noodles will be big, they will expand. So let's wait for 20 minutes. Let's see. Alright, now I need to pull tails from them and cook them until they kind of pink a little bit. Okay, I think 2 minutes will do in microwave. Let's work on this. Okay. Got meat. Okay, shrimps are pink, not overcooked. Got my crab meat on top. I'm gonna need some more salt, because I added volume to the soup and more water. And also I'm gonna add some hot sauce. Okay, meal is done.